If you go to the site and click on any one of these icons, you can install your browser extensions. In this case, I'm just going to install it on for my Firefox. After installing that, a small basically icon will show up on the corner of my screen. So, and if I'm not logged in, that icon is red. So if I click the first time on it, it'll log me in either with Facebook or my In20Seconds username. After that, that turns to green. Now I can basically drag and drop any image or text into this icon. For example, let's say I'm reading this article and I like this text, and I simply highlight it and drag and drop it into the icon. Let me just first refresh it, because so it shows as green. Yeah, so now it's green, and I can simply highlight any text that I want, and then just basically drag and drop it here. After that, I can also pick any other images that I want. For example, let's say this is an image I want to drag and drop, or another image. Let's say this one. Now I can basically, if I click on this icon, it pops up an image, a window that I can create my image, create my clip. As you can see, the title of that page is already copied here, so I can simply reuse that title. So I can just basically, 40 stunning high speed. Then when I click next, now if I click on a user library, you can see that these are the images I dropped onto drop zone, and I can simply select them. I bring those images here, click next. For the text to speech, if I click on a user library again, this is a text that I dropped in the drop zone. I click on a select and copy to clipboard, so now this is in my clipboard. If I use Ctrl V, I can paste it here, so now I have it in the text to speech. Click next, and here, as you can see, the URL of that image is already here, and this is again the title of that page, which I can reuse again. So now if I create this, let me also check mark on a profile image. If I click create, it creates that clip for me, and when I click on it, go to my 20-second clips, it takes me to my 20s, and this is that new clip that we just created. So if I click on that, it actually show up that.
If you want to share more fantastic examples, subscribe to our RSS feed, and you can follow us on WIT.
Yeah, so basically this is the clip that I just created, and as you can see, there is a link here that takes me to the same page that we talked about. At the same time, also you can basically see the reference page at the bottom of your basically my 20s.